Again, accelerate to suit. You're trying to join a motorway.
Yes.
So I would go third now, and then you've got a lovely flexible gear.
Yeah, without having to do any changes.
Wallop,
yeah.
if you need to. Yeah. Now maybe fourth. Yeah, agreed. I'd even go a little bit more, and I'd go into 5, and then leave it into 5 for the potential merge. It doesn't look as though we're going to have to because we get our own lane. You might decide we're going to catch the Vauxhall. What's going on? The signal will be really necessary for who?
The Fiesta, I would have said behind.
The white van.
The white van, right? In case he came back across. Yes.
Fiesta was a good one in case they looked to overtake themselves, but the white van was key because it was catching us.
I'm just gonna wait for him.
Good.
We're doing 7th.
Put it in 6th. Chill time. Done. Okay. Nice job. So because they're overtaking slowly, I would then just allow...
Just because he's probably going to drift across.
Just look at the sign on the bottom right hand side of his van.
70.
Keep up with him now. Onto it, and then grow that space if required. Yes. So sometimes when people are overtaking really slowly, it may be that the limited...
That's right, yes, that's it, yes. He hasn't got the extra...
speed to do it. Sometimes people will say, well, he shouldn't have overtaken. Well, hang on a minute. He could very well have been moving out to help us emerge.
Yeah, that's true. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So when people are overtaking and they're doing so slowly, lessen your pressure. Yeah? It might be they are limited, and that comes from the lorries as well, to be honest. That's a classic for lorries. When you see 2 lorries overtaking each other, it's the one in lane 1 that should back off a little.
Yes, it is, yeah.
All good. Hold on, mate.